Using common sense, one would walk on the main road and also follow the way of balanced living. Keeping on the main road is easy, yet people are tempted by the shortcuts, side paths, and quick fixes. In Lao Tzu's time, as well as today, those who govern seem to prosper, while fields grow full of weeds and supplies become scarce. As well, government officials live lavishly while promoting weapons and war. However, he points out that when the wealthy are extravagant and when the poor have no hope, this is not the balanced way of prosperity. Lao Tzu calls it thievery or stealing. It is contrary to the balanced way. What is firmly planted will not be uprooted. What is truly understood will not slip away, and thus it will be honored and passed on for generations. Cultivate the way in yourself, and you will become genuine. Cultivate it in your family, and your family will flourish. Cultivate it in your community, and the community will become supportive. Cultivate it in the world, and its power will become universal. In yourself, you can find the way of the self. In family, you can find the way of family. In the community, you can find the way of community. In a country, you can find the way of a country. And in the world, you can find the way of life. How do you know the way? By listening deeply within your authentic, unconditioned self.